Officially, the Kingdom of Thailand, formerly known as Siam, is a country in Southeast Asia. Thailand is bordered by Gulf of Thailand, Cambodia, and Laos to the east, Malaysia to the south, and Burma to the north and west. After the short-lived kingdom of Sukhothai was founded in 1238, a unified Thai kingdom was established in mid-14th century. It was known as Siam until 1939. Thailand is the only Southeast Asian country which has never been ruled by European power. Thailand is one of the most visited international destinations amongst Indians. While some people visit Thailand for its beaches, some visit for its temples and nightlife, and some for its adventure activities, and of course theme parks for kids, which are not to be missed. And all this is offered in much affordable pricing, which makes Thailand a family-friendly destination. Both of the Bangkok's airport, Suvarnabhumi and Dong Muang, have a good connectivity with all major Indian airports. Towns of Phuket, Krabi, Koh Samui and Chiang Mai are also well connected with Indian cities. Thais are known to have their own culture, including literature, drama, architecture, music, painting, sculpture, folk dances, and many handicrafts. They are quite passionate about their language, their own cuisine, their own martial arts, and their own beliefs with influences from India and China. The local currency is Thai baht.
1 Thai baht is equal to 2.5 INR.
Indian passport holders can get visa on arrival or can secure visa in advance. Thailand has a number of hidden gems waiting to be explored. The country has got innumerable attractions that appeal to travelers of all kinds. Bangkok is located on the delta of Chao Phraya River. Here's an overview of Bangkok's most popular and interesting neighborhoods for tourists. Siam Square, right place for luxury shopping centers and bargain department stores. Khao San, it's centrally located and close to many Bangkok's top attractions. Sukhumvit can see luxury hotels, top-notch restaurants and lively nightlife. Siloam, this area is always alive with people, street life, sidewalk stalls, nightlife and street food vendors. Chinatown, Chinese neighborhood where people work and live. Bangkok Old Town, historic area bordered by Chao Phraya and canals which is served as moats for the old city. Dusit, the political center of Thailand. Thonburi, area more relaxed that gives visitors a glimpse into traditional Thai culture. Now, let's have a look at Bangkok's key attractions. Wat Pyramid, Royal Temple famous for enormous 5.5 tons pure gold Buddha image. Wat Pho, Wat Pho is one of the largest temple complex in the city. It is famed for its 46 meters long giant reclining Buddha covered in the gold leaf. Chao Phraya Dinner Cruise. Dine and enjoy the beautiful panoramic views of the city, stopping from one historic landmark to another. Dream World and Snow Town. Dream World, with 4 zones, i.e. Adventureland, Fantasyland, Dream Gardens and Dream World Plaza Dream World and Snow World, is a perfect spot to visit for visitors with kids. Dam Nguyen, Saduak Floating Market is lively and colorful market full of boats selling fresh fruits and food. An early morning start is worth to avoid heat and great photo opportunity. It is at distance of 100 kilometers from Bangkok. Safari World and Marine Park. It is a family destination to have a glimpse of exotic animals like ostrich, giraffe at Safari World and enjoy thrilling shows at Marine Park. Siam Niramit Show. Be a part of spectacular 90-minute show which captures Thailand's 7 centuries with over 700 years of captivating culture, customs and traditions. Now, let's drive to Pattaya. It is 2.5 hours drive. Pattaya is known for its water sport activities, coral island, nightlife, and beaches. So, what are the key attractions for Pattaya? Let's have a look. Coral Island Tour with quick speedboat ride. Discover Pattaya's rich underwater world. Fly with parachute or go on a sea walker dive and more activities. Alcazar Show, a dazzling show for all ages with energetic acts, bright colors, and extravagant costumes. Art in Paradise. Be stunned and amazed by interactive 3D art simply by using AR application. Tiffany Show is stage experience of a lifetime to be amazed by glamour and the talent of beautiful performers. Now, let's move to Phuket. Phuket is famous for its beachside resort. Phuket offers accommodation from budget to luxury island tours from Phuket should not be missed. So, what are the key attractions for Phuket? Phi Phi Island and James Bond Island Tour. Experience your own slice of paradise on this full-day island hopping trip that introduce you to the wonders of Phi Phi Islands and James Bond Island. Water rafting Phuket, ATV, elephant ride through the jungle, or a visit to local waterfall for an unforgettable fun day out are few other activities to indulge in. Krabi. Lush green island with white sand beach makes Krabi distinct among other Thai holiday destinations. Attractions for Krabi are 4 Island Trip Krabi. It is a popular day trip to catch up with 4 of islands. Expect plenty of sun, variety of corals, fishes, crystal water and white powdery sandwich. Koh Samui. Truly heaven on earth, Koh Samui gives lively yet relaxing atmosphere. From the hustle and bustle of Chewang Beach to the lively yet relaxed atmosphere of Lamai Beach to the timeless feel of Boput's Fisherman's Village. Attractions for Koh Samui are Koh Phangan. For party lovers, all-night beach party is one of the kind of beach party which takes place on the night of, before or after every full moon. Anthong Marine Park, National Park surrounded with lush green landscape scattered over sapphire blue waters and white sand beaches. Most Anthong visitors arrive on a day trip from Koh Samui. Chiang Mai, tribal town with striking mountainous landscape, Chiang Mai is a paradise for curious travelers. It's shopping paradise for visitors interested in variety of handicrafts and antiques. Attraction for Chiang Mai are, while in Chiang Mai, not to be missed day trip to Chiang Rai and the Golden Triangle to see the borders of Thailand, Burma and Laos, and Doi Inthanon, highest point of Thailand, see beautiful king and queen pagodas. Other offbeat destinations to explore in Thailand are Kanchanaburi, Koh Lanta, Koh Chang. Thailand offers inexpensive yet diverse transportation. Tuk-tuk, a three-wheeler which can carry about 2 to 3 passengers and can get you through short distances in cities. Bangkok taxis, air-conditioned and affordable to travel around. Motorcycle. If you are fearless and not carrying a bulk of luggage, then motorcycle taxi might well suit you. It can get you through almost anywhere in the part of Thailand. The Bangkok Mass Transit System, SkyTrain, offers an elevated railway experience for its blessing for commuters to avoid chaotic Bangkok traffic. MRT subway or Blue Line is an underground railway network providing affordable yet fast travel options bearing the congested traffic via roads. Although you can visit Thailand all year around, but the ideal time to visit is November to April. This is the peak tourist season since the weather is beautiful. December is the best time for shopping, as well as there are discounts and offers across the malls. What to eat? Thailand now has many options available for Indian veg, Jain and non-veg food. One must also try Thai cuisine such as Somtam, a spicy green papaya salad, Pad Thai, a Thai-style fried noodles, and most sought after Thai curry with an option of green and red curry. Whether you are a budget traveler or a luxury traveler, you are sure to get a brilliant accommodation options all over Thailand. 5-star Leboa, Bangkok. Overlooking the Chao Phraya River, this upscale high-rise hotel is 1 kilometer from Sapan Takshin SkyTrain station and 6 kilometer from landmark Grand Palace. Dusit Thani, Pattaya. With the direct access to 2 beach fronts, Dusit Thani is conveniently located near the shopping and dining hotspots of Pattaya. It offers stunning panoramic views over the Pattaya Bay. Amari Beach Resort, Phuket. The modern resort is located in the famous Patong area of Phuket, offering beach and Indian restaurant at walking distance. Santara Grand Beach Resort, Krabi. Accessible only by boat, this luxury resort hotel overlooking a private bay is one of the best resorts in Krabi. 4-star Eastern Makassar. This contemporary upscale hotel is a 7-minute walk from metro station, 1 kilometer from bustling Pratunam market and 4 kilometer from Praptong's entertainment district. Discovery Beach, Pattaya. The Pattaya Discovery Beach Hotel, Pattaya makes you in the center of Pattaya, steps from Pattaya Beach and within a short 5-minute stroll of Pattaya Beach Road. Highlights at this beach hotel include 2 outdoor swimming pools, a restaurant and a free self-parking. Novotel Phuket. At Novotel Phuket, you will be just within a 15-minute stroll of popular places like Patong Beach, Kalim Beach. Highlights at this beach resort include a full-service spa, a restaurant and an outdoor swimming pool. Ao Nang Cliff, Krabi. Avani Ao Nang Cliff, Krabi puts you in the heart of Krabi, connected to the shopping center and within a 20-minute stroll of Ao Nang Beach and Nuparat Thara Beach. Highlights at this beach resort include 4 restaurants, 2 outdoor swimming pools and a full-service spa. So, what are you waiting for? Let's book your Thailand tour package with Flamingo. For more information, please call on +9179 4000 1500 or +91 98250 81806. You can also visit our website www.flamingotravels.co.in.